Hi Wildcats, I'm Ava Marlee.
And I'm Aiden Barr.
And welcome to the final episode of WCTV for the year.
Today is May 21st and we're glad you're here. Sports and band have an amazing year, from winning all kinds of awards to making to many championships. This is all about how amazing our sports and band teams are with a recap from these programs. Take a look.
Now for our sports recap. Brea had a great year in sports in the 2024 to 2025 school year, so let's go over some of the highlights. Many of our teams won their league championships, including football, boys cross country, girls basketball, boys soccer, boys and girls swim, boys tennis, baseball, and softball. Many teams just narrowly missed out on their league titles and were very competitive this year. Some of our teams won other tournaments, such as boys cross country winning OC champs, boys water polo winning the CIF championships, and boys volleyball narrowly missed it out after making it to the championship game of CIF. Thank you for a great year of WCTV. We had fun covering your wins, losses, and victories. Have a good summer. I'm Nick Lombardas, and back to Ava and Aiden.
Summer is quickly approaching. 2.5 months for rest, fun, swimming, freedom, vacations, and beach days. There are many opportunities people can take. Let's see what some people on campus will do during summer.
This summer, it's not just the sun that's shining, it's the possibilities. Whether it's road trips with friends, lazy days by the pool, or chasing sunsets on evening hikes, every moment is a chance to make a memory. So pack your bags, grab your sunglasses, and get ready for a season full of stories worth telling.
I'm gonna go to Boston and hopefully eat some good food. Probably go to the beach a lot.
Over the summer, I'm gonna play basketball. I'm gonna go visit my family in San Diego.
I have to work a little bit, got some bills to pay, and spend a lot of time at the beach.
For me, over the summer, I'm gonna go up to the north in California, and then I'm also gonna go on to church camp in Big Bear.
I'm gonna learn Arabic, and I'm going to the mosque.
My summer plans are usually going to France. I'm going to spend about 6 weeks there. And I'm also going to Kentucky for an AP training.
I'm going to have a baby.
When is the due date?
July 4th, America.
So I'm going to Tennessee and North Carolina and then Utah on different trips to explore the outdoors and to just have some fun.
I'm taking a group of students on a trip to France, Italy and Greece, and it'll be a really fun trip. And then I will be probably spending most of my summer in Alsace, which is where half of my family is from.
Hey Aiden, do you smell that?
I do. I wonder what it is. It smells delicious.
Well, let's go to Me for a brand new segment, Cooking with Ava. Take it away, Me. Hi Wildcats, welcome to Cooking with Ava. Today I'll be making fried rice with my assistant Marlee Boucher. Yippee! Yay!
Oh, this hurts my knees.
For this recipe, I used 1 carrot, 3 green onions, 3 Chinese sausages, 5 eggs, chili oil, hoisin sauce, mushroom seasoning, and soy sauce. First, we chopped up the veggies and sausages, then set it aside.
I don't know, if someone sees this and they're gonna think, oh my gosh, do not let her cook.
Then we cooked 5 eggs in chili oil, then added in the rice, veggies, and sausages. Once everything started cooking, we added hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and mushroom seasoning. We then mixed it all together and let it cook through. Finally, we plated it and topped it with extra chili oil.
Wow, we created that.
Yeah! Now we're gonna be taste testing it and giving it our rating. Cheers!
I think it's a little bit sticky, but I think that's normal for rice. I think there should be a little bit more carrots. But other than that, I think it's really good, like a 7 out of 10.
For me, I give it a 10 out of 10 because I was the chef. So, yeah, I think there's enough of everything. I don't know what she's talking about.
Okay, thank you for joining us. Bye-bye. Wildcats, this is our last show of the year. As we wrap things up, we're taking a moment to reflect. Let's check in with our WCTV members and hear how they feel about this year's journey.
As the year comes to a close, we're looking back on the moments that made WCTV unforgettable, the laughter, the challenges, and the stories we told together. To our viewers, classmates, and teachers, thank you for your support every step of the way. Before we sign off, we asked the team, what did WCTV mean to you this year? Here's what they had to say.
I feel like sad because I really love doing these shows, and I was enjoying them doing it with friends and partners we have here.
Thinking we're crashing into prom.
I'm sad, but I'm kind of happy to see what's to come for the next year too.
I just want to say to the audience, thank you for supporting us and watching our shows.
I feel kind of sad knowing this is the last show because there's so much that I know that people can still learn and even what I can learn. So it's kind of sad this is the last show.
For WCTV, this is Jonathan Martinez signing off for the very last time.
This year has been a great one. We've accomplished a lot and had a fun time.
As the year comes to an end, let's see what our Wildcats' favorite moments have been.
My favorite memory from this year was probably doing our choir shows. I just really enjoyed making a lot of new memories with them and performing and stuff.
My favorite thing that I did this year was going to homecoming.
My favorite thing was swimming in the Mount Sac meet and doing really well.
I would have to say some of the concerts that we did for my orchestra class.
My favorite memory is winter break.
My favorite memory for the school year is doing in an HOA comp for choir.
Mine would be that I was doing a soccer game and I kicked the ball and I ended up hitting a person on accident, but it was fine because we were cool after.
My favorite memory this year has to be going to homecoming with my friends.
Honestly, my favorite memory this year has been a few months back when I went to Chuck E. Cheese with my family. It's a great time.
Performing Wicked at Disneyland for choir.
My favorite memory of this year was when girls soccer, when we went against Sonora at Sonora.
My favorite part was probably prom.
Overall, it has been a great school year, and we're excited for what's next to come. For WCTV, this is Talia Zambon reporting.
Thank you again for sticking with us for 22 episodes.
This year has gone by so fast, and we're glad to have spent it with you. Once again, I'm Ava Marlee.
And I'm Aidan Barr.
We hope for you guys to have a great summer.
Bye.